So what up, y'all? It's your boy Whisper Thing, and I'm finally back up in this thing, man. It's been a minute. I know I meant to keep pumping these videos out when I first started my channel, but I just haven't had a chance to, and really my car's been down. I've been planning on doing it all about my car. So for those of you that don't know, I've got a 50th anniversary SS. Pretty much my car's been down for like a month. I let my girlfriend drive my car, take it to work, and she come back, got a bolt in the tire. So I'm about to go show y'all that one in a minute. And my tires, they was already low. So thinking, I don't know, I might go ahead and just get wheels and tires. I don't know. Y'all stay tuned for that, and maybe y'all will find out. I got some things coming y'all way. I got a lot planned for this channel. But anyways, today, the main thing I'm doing today is I've got some smoked tail lights that I'm going to go ahead and put on my car. But before we get started on that, let me go show y'all the bolt in this tire real quick. It's crazy. So anyways, like I said, y'all, this is what happened when you let your girl drive your car. Got the washer and everything in that mug. This shit crazy. I still love you though, baby. So as you guys can see, I got a bolt in my tire with the washer and everything. That's crazy. I've never seen one like that before. Yeah, my car will be back on the road running here pretty soon. If you guys want to see like a walk around introduction video to my car too, let me know. I'll post one of those up. You guys can see what the 50th anniversary looks like, what's special about it. They did some pretty cool things for the anniversary edition. So if y'all want to see that, go ahead and let me know. We're about to get to these smoked headlights. I had to go grab a jacket because it's cold out here. I know I'm in California. I'm a California boy, but 50 degrees, that's cold to us. So I'm going to go ahead and show y'all the tail lights, and then we're going to go ahead and get to it. So tail lights right here. Oh, I've actually got some smoked markers I'm going to put on too, but I don't think I got time today to put those on. But I went ahead and got the GM smoked tail lights. So essentially, it's just, if I can get this open ever, so essentially they're just clear, they're not red. So they're actually still 50 state legal, so I ain't got nothing to worry about that. You know how they be in California. These cops be tripping out here, boys. And then I picked up the third brake light too. I don't know if I'm gonna have time to get this third brake light installed, but as y'all can see, I got the third brake light going on too, so that'll be on there soon enough. Right now, I need to go ahead and get some air in that tire so I can turn my car around, and then we're gonna put these lights in. All right, y'all. Here's the stock tail lights. They're red, as you can see. And we're gonna get the other ones on. Alright, y'all, so I got them installed, as you can see. Let me know what you guys think. Go ahead and post in the comments below if you guys have done this on your Camaro before. If you have a Camaro, let me know what you think. Like I said, let me know if you guys want to see a walk around video. But I'm just kind of giving you guys an update of some cool things I'm doing to my car. If there's something else you guys think that I should do, let me know in the comments below. Go ahead and pound that like button if you like this video. I'm gonna try to be getting a video up about once a week here going forward. So
I got a lot more things I want to do to my Camaro. Like I said, I got a big surprise coming, so y'all stay tuned. All right, I'm up out of here, y'all.